So we are preparing for a nighttime exit. Which will include supper and lights. We figure evac in a couple hours. Mark kind of redesigned the new fireplace, and it's awesome. So now we have the grate, and I brought a frying pan, but we also have the big wood smoker if we get like a little roast or something. So that's good. Definitely it's gonna be dark when we get out of here. Which means we're gonna have to come back on the same trails.
Which is not gonna be fun.
Which is not gonna be fun, is right.
Okay, Peter. Put that in your pant pocket. Keep that warm.
Roger that.
We each got one. You got mine on me.
Pull it back. I'm gonna switch hats so you can get me in that hat. Alright, salt and pepper. Pull it back. We're doing a video.